Oh, this is fermented.
This is fermented bamboo shoot.
Bamboo shoot.
This is king chili.
King chili.
This is what is it?
Gundruk.
Gundruk, that Nepal ka. And this is anishi.
Oh, she have collections of food.
Anishi?
This is anishi.
It's smelling. Throw it away.
No, it won't smell. It won't smell. But it like usually if you cook with pork, it's so tasty.
No,
This is dry bamboo shoot.
Oh, dry also.
The fresh one we dry it. This is not smelling, not fermented one. And this is dry fish. This also dry fish. This is bamboo shoot. And this is fermented soybean.
Soybean also.
Kinema.
Kinema. Oh yes, I know.
And this is gundruk. And
So much varieties of gundruk.
this is also gundruk. But this is not gundruk.
This is tea or something like that.
Yam leaf, that root.
Oh, and
Yeah, these are my.
so many things. So
This is. Tell me that you are not. Tell me that you are from Northeast without telling that you are from Northeast.
oh,
So today we will cook pork with bamboo fermented.
okay, special one.
And
Just checking out.
this is watermelon,
Oh,
carrot.
we will have after food.
Yes, cucumber, tomato, kimchi.
Oh, kimchi. This
This
is
is, sticky rice.
kodo.
Like sticky rice.
Oh yes.
Not kodo. And what happened? This dessert. This is fermented fish.
Fish. Before Sari used to go buy fish. Huh?
And this is, we call it yongchak. This is stinky beans.
Oh, last time.
And
This is ice cream.
no, this is not ice cream.
Oh, so many things. Wow. Not before.
And this is 1 year kimchi. And this is dry fish, not fermented fish, but this is dry fish. And this is shrimp paste from Myanmar. This is
Interesting.
tomato. This
Tomato.
is herbs.
Yes, yes. We Nepali we say bote dhania.
Oh, I don't know. And this is my
Egg and this and deep fridge,
goruko masu
gurkumasu and
ice cream.
ice cream. So
This is fermented bamboo shoot pickle. And this is
jam.
And this is where? King chili.
Oh, king chili, big zola. Oh.
Yes, these are my things, guys. Thank you.
So this is all on this small fridge, and here the owner. Okay. Nice.